Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix speakers not working issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many of you are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of speakers that their speakers are not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're one of them and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 speakers not working issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check the basics. Make sure your iPhone 15 is not in a silent mode. Check the physical switch on the side of your iPhone device. After this, then you have to do is ensure that the volume is turned up. Adjust the volume using the physical volume buttons on your iPhone 15 side, or you can simply adjust the volume from the control center. So guys, after checking the basics, then you have to restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to the settings, tap on the general, s- scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. After restarting, then you have to do is check for software updates. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates may include bug fixes that address issues with the device's functionality, including the speakers. So you have to go to the software update and check if there's an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after this, then you have to do is test. Then you have to do is simply test your speakers with different apps. Check if the issue is specific to a certain app. Open different apps that use sounds such as music, YouTube, or voice memos and see if the problem persists. Then you have to do is simply check Bluetooth settings. If your iPhone 15 is connected to a Bluetooth device such as headphones or speakers, ensure that the audio is not being routed to the connected device. Disconnect any Bluetooth device and test the speakers again. You can simply disable the Bluetooth from your control center. After this, then you have to do is simply clean the speakers. Dust or debris might be affecting the speakers. Use a small, soft brush or compressed air to clean the speaker's grill at the top and the bottom of your iPhone 15. So guys, after running all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone 15. If none of the steps works, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers. So you have to open the settings on your iPhone 15, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix speakers not working issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.